Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at Nasdaq composite technical analysis for the 4th May. On 3rd May, due to the Fed decision on interest, there was a quarter point hike. Nasdaq in the morning was trading in the tight range, and after the announcement, it went up and then collapsed. I can see the slope is negative. As of yesterday, Nasdaq slope was positive, but today, after sell-off and after closing at 12025, the Nasdaq slope is negative, means it's downward trend. So it's a 3 days downward trend, and up to 4 days it's still a positive. So we have to be careful on the long side because Nasdaq slope, the cumulative slope is now negative. So we have to see when, from which point it might go again upper side. So I will provide those data, but I can see also the bear top is below day low. And when that happens, generally next day there is a possibility of gap down. Gap down means the closing, the day open is below previous day low. So we call it gap down, right? So because the bear top is outside and below day low, there is a possibility. I'm saying possibility. It's not necessary. It will happen, but there is a possibility of gap down, uh, and I can see the negative 15 point slope, and again the sentiment changer is at 52 point. 52 point has two component, 18 and 34. So for to go up, Nasdaq has to make some effort, 30 point, 34 point, and to go down it has to just set only 18 points, to become weak. So 34 plus minus 18, right? Total actually is a 52 point sentiment changer. Now let's look at when will be neutral. So if Nasdaq moves about 12215, the flag will be off. So basically, again, it might be in the uptrend. So again, Nasdaq will be seeing a selling below 12200, and if it moves about 12215, it might be again green with the positive slope, so means there is a buying interest. So that's level is now 12215, 12215. So one can expect selling below 12200. So basically 12200 is basically us resistance at this time. What needs to be done on tomorrow? If Nasdaq breaks 11985, if Nasdaq breaks 11985, and if it stays below today's closing, selling expected, right? So let's see first when and where Nasdaq will open tomorrow. So basically, I'm saying that because the bear top is below day low today, there might be a gap down opening tomorrow. Again, slope is negative. There is a up to 4D positive slope, and last 3 days turn negative, and the cumulative is negative 15 slope. So if we see the 14 plus area, 12042, and bullish bottom is 12144. On 3-day negative, the bearish top is 12040, and bullish bottom is 12149. So as we say, yes, below 12200 one can remain bearish, and once Nasdaq moves about 12215, people can turn bullish again. But there would be, around 12149 and 12144. That's a basically early alert. So if Nasdaq moves about 12149, there might be a chance that it might break 12215, but below 12144 there is a selling expected, and selling should accelerate below 12040, right? So how I uh, go get those numbers? By looking at positive slope at 4D and negative slope at 3D. Again, I can see the selling will be continuing below 1280. it will accelerate below 11,985. There is a possibility that there is a gap down. So when there is a gap down, there might be a short covering, and then again selling comes. So selling should continue below 12,095. There is no problem. But if there is a support about 12,095, one has to be careful, on sell side. Still, again, below 12,200, one can remain bearish. Uh, One has to turn bullish about 12,215 as of 3rd May closing. Let's check the number. The fair value is 12,029, 12,029 fair value. Make average with the day open on 4th May to get the day fair value. Above fair value, bull will be winner, and below fair value, bear will be winner. That fair value is 12,029. The bear top is 11,993 average with day low, and below that more selling comes, right, in the downtrend. And the bullish bottom is 12,064, average it with day high, and above it there is a short covering. Why I'm now saying short covering? Because there is a downward trend. So I would say a short covering, basically it's a buying interest, but we call it short covering, right? So that's below, about 12,064, and averaging with the day high. Okay, so these are the summary for tomorrow. Again, more selling should come below 11,985, and if it stays below 12,024, today's closing, again resistance, there is a resistance below 12,200, and one can remain bearish below 12,200, but buying may come once Nasdaq again move about 12,215. So these are the highlights for 4th May. If you like the analysis, please share with your friends, relative, colleague, and don't forget to subscribe to channel. Thank you.